Hello everyone, a student. This is second video for this chapter N with an E. In the last video, we have touched this till this line ejaculated Marilla. Well, this is a pretty piece of business, ejaculated Marilla. When Marilla spoke suddenly that, good, this girl is a pretty piece of business. And after that, we have stopped the next video. Now, I'm going to proceed this video from this line. During this dialogue, you see, during this dialogue the child had remained silent. इस डायलॉग के बाद द चाइल्ड हैड रिमेंड साइलेंट, दिस बच्ची बिल्कुल शांत हो गई थी. हर आइज रोविंग, रोविंग मीन्स मूविंग फ्रॉम वन टू द अदर, एंड द गर्ल्स आइज वॉज मूविंग फ्रॉम वन टू another, means from brother to sister. All the animation fading out of her face. The animation, the moving image of her face was now dries up, fade. Suddenly, she seemed to grasp the full meaning of what had been said. And casually it seemed that the girl had understood all the meaning that was happened between brother and sister. Dropping her precious carpet bag, she sprang forward a step and clasped her hand. After that, she dropped her precious carpet bag. She threw down her precious carpet bag and sprang forward. Sprang forward means moved suddenly a step and clasped her hand. You don't want me, she cried. And after that she began to cry loudly that I understand you don't want me to have in this house. You don't want me because I am not a boy. And now in a very pitiable line, the girl replied, the girl said that now I'm understanding that you have no interest in me. You don't want to have me here because I'm not a boy, I'm a girl. I might have expected it. I might have expected. She said that I have also expectation about it, that what you will do me, I have also expected it. Nobody ever did want me. She said, nobody. This is my great problem, a great curse for me that I am a girl. So nobody want me ever. I might have known it was all too beautiful to last, and it was known to me that it was beautiful to my moment, to my life, that I left it. I left to have expectation that someone will get me to have in his or her house. I might have known nobody really did want me. but she expressed her ideas, her feeling emotionally that now I have understood that nobody wants me. Oh, what shall I do? And now, in sadness, she said, now what I do? I'm going to burst into tears. And she said that I'm going to burst into tears means I'm going to weep. I'm going to weep heartily. Burst into tears she did. And yes, she did. She burst into tears. She wept more and more, sitting down on a chair by the table, flinging her arms out upon it and burying her face in them. She proceeded to cry stormily, very loudly, very much. Proceeded means आगे बढ़ना, move forward. Burying means छिपा लेना. बरिंग का मीनिंग वैसे तो होता है दफन करना, लेकिन यहाँ पे छिपाने से मतलब. Finally she wept more and now she was sitting down on a chair by the table and she fling her arms upon the chair and now she kept her face in her hands and she started to cry very loudly. Marilla and Matthew looked at each other deprecatingly across the stove, and both brother and sister were looking at each other across the stove without accept it. They were not also ready to accept it heartily. Neither of them knew what to say or do. And both the brother and sister had no idea that what they said to her or what they do. Finally, Marilla stepped lamely into the bridge. And finally, the sister of Matthew, Marilla, she spoke in very low voice, stepped lamely into the bridge, means spoke in very low voice after brief silence. After brief silence, she spoke very slowly. Well, there is no need to cry so about it. She said, well, no need to cry so about it. You keep silence now. There is no requirements that you will weep here, you will cry like that. There is no requirement of it. You don't worry and you don't have a tension to think about this matter. Yes, there is need. The child raised her head quickly, revealing a tear-stained face and tremblingly. तभी उस लड़की ने अचानक अपने फेस को जो छिपा करके अपने हाथों के बीच रो रही थी, अपने फेस को झटके में ऊपर निकाली और जब फेस को ऊपर उठाई तो उसके फेस पे आंसू आँख आंसुओं से भरे थे, उसके होठ ट्रेम्बलिंग कर रहे थे, हिल रहे थे और उसने क्या कहा, यस देयर इज़ नीड, मुझे रोने की ज़रूरत है, मुझे चिल्लाने की ज़रूरत है इस समय. यूड क्राई टू इफ़ यू आर एन आर्फन. और क्या कही कि यूड क्राई इफ़ यू आर एन आर्फन, अगर आप भी एक आर्फन होती मेरी जगह तो आप भी मेरी तरह रोती. and had come to a place you thought was going to be home, and found that they didn't want you because you weren't a boy. She said, if you were also an orphan and come to a place that someone was ready to bring you at his or her home, and when you reached there you found that they didn't want you because you were not a boy, what happened at that time? Oh, this is the most tragical thing that ever happened to me. And she said कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसे ही ट्रेजिकल थिंग्स घटित हो रही हैं। मुझे कोई अपने घर ले जाता है, फिर वहाँ जाने के बाद पता चलता है कि नहीं, उसे बच्चा एक बॉय चाहिए, गर्ल्स नहीं चाहिए, और फिर उस समय कितनी तकलीफ़ होती है। यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट एंड यू आल्सो वीप, यू आल्सो क्राई इफ़ यू वर इन माई प्लेस, शी सेड. Something like a reluctant smile, rather rusty from long disused, mellowed Marilla's grim expression. Then, like a reluctant smile, एक बनावटी स्माइल के साथ, rather rusty from long disused, mellowed Marilla's grim expression, क्योंकि मरीला थी वो अक्सर स्माइल नहीं करती थी, लेकिन इस बार अपने एक्सप्रेशन को चेंज करने के लिए उसने बनावटी स्माइल उसकी तरफ करके बोला, वेल डोंट क्राई एनी मोर, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टर्न यू आउट ऑफ डोर्स टू नाइट. यू डोंट क्राई एनी मोर एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टर्न आउट ऑफ डोर्स टू नाइट. आज की रात हम लोग तुम्हें घर से बाहर निकालने नहीं जा रहे हैं, तुम आज की रात यहीं पर रहोगी, तुम्हें परेशान होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. You will have to stay here until we investigate this affair. What's your name? और जब तक हम लोग तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं कर लेते हैं, जो हमारा तुम्हारे साथ अफेयर होगा, जो रिलेशन होगा, इसके बारे में यहाँ रखने के लिए जब तक हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन जांच पड़ताल नहीं कर लेते, तब तक तुम यहाँ पर रह सकती हो. और फिर ये सब कहते हुए मरीला फाइनली आस्क्ड द नेम ऑफ द गर्ल हु वाज looking very pitiable at that time, and to sing the condition of this family. Now she was looking sympathetic for her. Okay, that's okay.